Alright, up we go on the roof again. This is where I was at, working on the Liebert. Now they got a rooftop down. Mike's up here already. And let's see. Luckily we're on the lower roof. Mike's got the unit apart. Hey Mike, hold on. I heard that thing squeaking.
Yeah, the bulb's a little loose and like to be changed.
Alright.
I think this is the right one. He said it's the first one. You want to look?
Yeah.
Show them.
Ooh, we got eye waves in here. Scott must have put those in. So I don't know if I have that. We got a spare belt there. See if those are any good, but
I gotta give me some gain.
oh, hold on. Let's see what we got going on first. All right, throw that back on there. Got building automation, so it's saying it's blowing 80 degrees. Oh yeah, baby. What we got going on in here? Right. Need some filters. And we gotta clean a coil. Brush this one off. Alright, so there we go. Well, Mike, let's see.
Fan motor ain't going.
It's like it's just doing some checks here. Shoot, where's the... Man, I hate this room. I guess take off that panel. That don't look good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Huh. The Cottonelle bear's been up here spreading their wonderful cotton. You can peel it. Oh jeez, what a mess. Nope, 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 nope. It should come off. Huh. Could be a high pressure thing, huh? Blinking any codes? No.
Contactors don't look too bad.
Alright, so let's get the meter. Let's see what we got from C to Y. See if it's even calling. Oh no. Oh no. Heat exchanger's wasted. Oh yeah. That heat exchanger is done. Oh no. Yep. Done. So we got a heat exchanger replaced on this one, Mike. What do we got over here? Don't know what this is. Like I said, we got some building automation stuff here. So that's W Mike. And we got some voltage. Oh, SpaghettiOs.
Shut the power off, test capacitor.
Well, this is 3-phase. This is 3-phase, so no. That capacitor is for the condenser fan motor. I don't have a contactor pulled in, so the condenser fan motor is not going to run. Contactor. Okay, let's shut the power off. What just popped? Oh, that was the fan contactor. So our compressor contactor's here. So we got low pressure switch, high pressure switch. Pull those off. Let's test continuity. So our high pressure switch is closed. We'll do the same with the low pressure. Low pressure is not closed. There's the problem.
We may need some gauges and juice.
Well, where's your drill? Just take this off.
While I'm taking this off, I have a question for the subscribers of this channel. When Joe hits 20,000 subscribers, should he have a big barbecue bash?
Oh God, you're killing me. You're killing me. Of course they're gonna say yeah. Holy crap, dude. Wow.
Oh wow.
Where's the plug? Holy smokes. There ain't no saving this puppy. Alright, we got the power shut off. Yep, we do. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh man. Low pressure is right. She blew the plug right off. Blew it right off. We don't need gauges, Mike, because that's where it's all went. No, it's.
We want to test to see.
No, because
grounded.
look at it's melted.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's melted. So there ain't no testing that, Mike. That's your problem. There's your problem, mister. So, we got problems. We got. Well, take the blower door off. Grab. We're gonna check the heat exchanger too.
Look at all the black from that.
Yeah, look at that. Mike's putting stuff up. Oh yeah. Yeah, he blew his load right off. Blew his load right off. Bad compressor. She's burned out too. Now let's take the blower door off, Mike. Well, I mean, we can do both. We can take that door off. We can take the blower door off. I mean, that heat exchanger's toast. See much this way. I would take that door off over there and see. There's probably holes through this. Well, let Mike do that.
right there.
Yeah, Mike found it. Oh, right there. That's that. And it's done. Boy, we got a lot of repairs on this rooftop. I don't even know what year it's from. Let's see. It is from 2011. And this thing is all trashed, oh. Trashed. I don't think we've ever had to, let's say, fill refrigerant up on it, but I don't think we've ever had to do anything like that. I'll have to look in the history, but that's what cottonwood does to your compressors. Blows them out. And this is a complete burnout. Complete burnout. Looking at what it was shooting out. Whole system burnt. The only thing I worry at that point is the orifices on the evaporator. Well, that was the same building I was on, I think last week or 2 weeks ago, with the Liebert system for the server room. It was coil impacted. And I told him, I go, the maintenance has got to be done. And he didn't want to get us out there. And the reason why that compressor blew was that, well, part of the reason was that coil being packed on that backside. Thing couldn't breathe. And I was looking at it, and I'm looking at it, and there was a non-factory filter dryer in there. So that compressor, that was a 2011 unit. The compressor was replaced in 14. I'm assuming the same problem. The only thing I really worry about on that is the compressor was replaced once already. I don't know if it was flushed. This is a complete burnout, and it's probably full of garbage. And the thing I worry about is those orifices at the evaporator coil. Now, if those orifices are plugged, then I got a whole nother problem. Then I'm into a new coil, because I'm not playing the game with nitrogen and heating those damn things up. It's just not my cup of tea. So, I mean, he's probably looking at a new rooftop on this one. Because, like I said, the compressor's been replaced before. The heat exchanger's shot, needs maintenance. He's going to spend some cash on that 11-year-old unit, unfortunately. There was another company doing maintenance on the piece of equipment, but they told them to get lost for some reason, and we've been telling them, hey, you need maintenance for the last 2 years. Still don't want to do it, so now they're starting to get into replacement and repairs. If we just did the maintenance, they would, you know, not have these problems. But he gave us okay to do the maintenance next week. Right on. So I think we're going to be replacing that unit, honestly, because it's just, there's too many repairs on it. But we'll do whatever he wants to do, trust me. If he wants to repair it, I'll repair it all day long. It doesn't matter to me. I come to work and that's what I do. Alright guys, you know what you need to do. Like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks.